Hello, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Warsaw, New York. We are on April 6th. We're doing a 54 square foot job of LG Quartz. Encore is the color. We have a good sized island to do, an L-shaped corner. We have one seam and a sink to install today. What we're going to do in this situation here, we're between a seam and the stove. We're actually going to come put a block of wood under here so we can slide this piece underneath it. That way if we have any clearance issues at all, we're all safe. We'll bump that piece as close as we get to the stove, then drop it down and prepare a seam. Okay, we're gonna knock out this faucet hole here. We have a single hole faucet going on here today. But there we go. There's the core hole. Okay, we're gonna take alcohol and we're gonna clean up the bottom of the countertop here, so we're ready to glue our sink in. We're gonna clean up the top of our sink, get rid of any residue or any residues from fingers. Hi, this is Andy from All Kitchens Amazing. We're here in Warsaw, New York. We're here with our customers, Lori and Gino Standish. Just finishing up around a 55 square foot install of a Quartz LG Encore material. We had an undermount sink here with a seam over in the corner. What do you guys think of the overall installation process?
Excellent. We couldn't ask for anything better.
Absolutely, you couldn't. For what we wanted and how it turned out, it couldn't have been any better.
Fantastic.
Yep.
What do you think of our overall installation process? How we would go about getting these pieces in the house?
Very safely. I was concerned even on the rugs, but you guys laid down mats and you were real careful and everything worked out perfectly.
Very professional.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Very professional. How you came into the house and how you brought into the stone into the house, and it was just great. All the way around.
Fantastic. Most customers hate the idea of having a seam. What do you guys think of the seam we did for you?
What seam?
What seam?
That's what we like to hear. Hey, we really want to thank you guys for your business.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, both of you.
Thank you, Andy.
Oh, thank you for being who you are. And it's nice that we have somebody just about local that does this kind of work.
And we can trust them.
Yep.
We appreciate the good customers also. Thank you very much. We'll see you guys next time.